Built in 1974 as the U.S. Army's utility tactical transport aircraft system, the Blackhawk entered service in 1979. From combat assault and medevac to special operations and disaster relief, designed for speed, survivability, and versatility, the Blackhawk has flown millions of hours, becoming one of the most trusted military helicopters in history.
Today we're going to be doing a first flight with SkyOS integrated into this Blackhawk for the first time.
SkyOS is going to take this proven aircraft behind me and give it a quantum leap in capability, flexibility, as well as safety.
On Skyryse 1, we were really building the foundation of all our technology and processes. So we had to develop all the software, all the hardware, as well as our understanding of the physics of the systems that we were going to integrate into. Working on the Blackhawk, we found that it was shockingly simple to take this life-saving technology, put it into the Blackhawk, and it just worked. That was only possible because we spent 10 years developing the backbone and process on Skyryse 1 to fast-track any future platform that we want to integrate into.
Our founder, Mark Groden, started Skyryse with this vision, and he's been working on this for a decade now. And that's what enables me to do what I've done with this Blackhawk. The key is vertically integrated hardware, right? So we do actuators, we do flight control computers, software, we do control sticks. We do everything down to the circuit board level within our walls. So we took one chipset and we were able to integrate it here into this Blackhawk in 91 days.
One aspect of SkyOS is our triply redundant system. That means that I have 10 to the minus 9th failure rate. So that's 1 in every 114,000 years of continuous use that our system is built to for safety and reliability.
We've architected the SkyOS system on the Blackhawk to be configurable and modular. We can fly with 2 pilots, we can fly with no pilots, we can put cargo where the pilot seats are today, we can reconfigure, and we can allow different missions, different equipment to be integrated with our digital backbone.
What's really unique what SkyOS does, you hear of additional capability, but usually with that comes the burden of additional weight. SkyOS is the first time of additional capability and a reduction of weight. So in a conventional Blackhawk, it is a large control panel in front of me, which really reduces 50 to 60% of what I should be able to see outside the aircraft. With SkyOS, now I can see 70 to 80% of what's outside.
So what's great about our real-time alerting system, our caution and advisory system, is we are monitoring all of the systems on this vehicle to make sure that the pilots are aware when something goes wrong. Everything is right in front of them on 2 digital displays.
So certainly 91 days is really meeting the impossible, but it's important to highlight that that is not done without a ton of rigorous testing and steadfast devotion to make sure we're doing it safely along the entire route to get to where we're at today in first place.
Blackhawk is a 45-year-old aircraft that's been built for ruggedized operations. I started flying Blackhawks in the flight test portion of my career, and I got the chance to really understand the capability and limitations of the system. Pilots have a lot of different aspects of the mission they need to focus on. When you can simplify the workload, it allows them to prioritize appropriately. It gives me a unique perspective in terms of SkyOS to understand how it's going to change the game for the experience pilots are going to have in the cockpit. Simplified, safer, and better.
Prepared for a auto pickup.
All right, copy. You're going for auto pickup at your leisure.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Auto pickup initiating. Yep. Okay, tail clear to the right, nose left. Pedal turn. Slide left so we get our 45. And clear back and right. Right pedal turn. Okay, ready for auto set down?
Copy.
I continue with auto set down. Now it's settling and center. Well done, sir.
They're over there high-fiving each other.
I will tell you, I never thought in my career I would see what I saw today. Our system and the capability it provides the pilots at their hands will absolutely, undoubtedly make them more mission successful. When you can combine an increased mission capability and wrap that around with safety, that is an immense capability we're bringing to the industry.